welcome to my channel if this is your first time, or welcome back. Today I'm doing this video basically because I recently posted a picture on Instagram wearing this hair, and I got a lot of people asking me details about like where I got it from, what kind of hair it is. So I just decided to do a video so I can share the knowledge with the world, put you on game, give you the tea. And as an added bonus, I'm going to show you guys how I got my hair to blend in so effortlessly with this. So if you're interested in seeing all that, please stay tuned and let's just get right into it. Quick swipe. So this is basically what I'm starting with. This is basically what the hair looks like after a long day. But I'm just going to show you guys how I kind of get my leave out to blend out with when it's kind of a little calmer looking, I guess. I got this hair from AliExpress.com. It is called YVONNE or YVONNE, one of those. And it is Brazilian kinky curly in 24 inches. And this is not a sew-in, this is a U-part wig that I made and dyed and cut. If you want to see a video of how I create my U-part wigs, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to just tame it out a little bit first. I'm just going to use some water, regular spray bottle. And I'm just going to get that pretty saturated, definitely not dripping wet, but saturated enough to be able to just run my fingers through it. So this is my hair and my edges are out. Everything else is braided up underneath in some seedy braids, okay? Now I'm going to take my Design Essentials Natural Daily Moisturizing Lotion and just rub that in as well. That was gross. I absolutely love this hair. It has barely any shedding. Even with me coloring it, it barely sheds. And once I put some water and moisturizer on it, it just becomes so luscious. No tangles. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. This hair is very affordable. I only used 2 bundles. They sell it in a pack of 2. They also sell closures if you need one, and I think I paid like $115 for both bundles, and this is 24 inches, so very, very, very affordable. Now I'm done bringing that to life. Now I'm gonna bring up my hair to life here. So what I'm gonna do is put some water on my leave out as well as some Eco Styler gel. You don't want the hair to be soaking wet, you just want to kind of dampen it a little bit, just like we did with the weave. Now I'm going to take my Denman brush. Guys, literally, if you are natural and you don't have one of these, please get one like yesterday, okay? Do you see that? Do you see the definition that it brings? Like, it's crazy. This is the secret. It's gonna curl back up, but just get one of these, okay? I'm gonna brush my edges in the same way. Bring some life to those. I'm gonna part my hair. If I can get it right. I'm just gonna make sure, of course, all my tracks is covered because
ain't nobody got time for that.
Now, here's the key. As you can see, this ain't blending. So what we're gonna do to get that to blend is I'm going to take some little clips like this. I'm gonna take my leave out. I'm gonna divide this pretty much into 3 sections. So I'm gonna do a clip here, in the back, and on the other side. Grab a little bit of the weave into it as well and twist it. Then I'm going to grab a piece of hair from here at the bottom and kind of just clip that together. It's not kind of, that's literally all you do. See how much better that is already? We're gonna do the same thing to this side as well as the back. I'm gonna do it again so you can see. I'm gonna take my hair as well as some of the weave, twist it, and then anchor it to a piece that's not twisted. And the point of that is just so it doesn't come untwisted, of course. Now I'm gonna do the same thing for the back. I'm gonna try to flip around. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing back there. Okay, and pretty much what you're gonna do at this point is just let that sit after you lay your edges, of course. So I'm just gonna use my Eco Styler gel. Then I'm gonna go back on top of that with the Main Choice Laid Back Effortlessly Growth Stimulating Edge Control. I've only been using this edge control for a short amount of time, so I don't know if it truly works yet. However, this stuff does claim to grow your edges back, or grow your edges. I don't really have like any, issues with my edges, but I mean, if they was thicker, I mean, I'm not gonna be mad. Then we're gonna tie our edges down. And now we wait. I generally like to leave this here for at least 20 minutes if possible, just to let at least your hair kind of dry as much as possible. It doesn't have to be completely dry. Mine is in no way ever dry when I take it out. But of course, the longer you're able to leave it before taking it down, the better. I feel like I'm rambling. Y'all understand, right? Y'all get it. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down for you guys and let you see what it looks like. I'm gonna start by taking my edges down first. Now you absolutely can wear it like this, but I prefer to put this behind my ears just because it makes it look even more natural. I don't have to worry about my hair necessarily sticking up like, hey girl. It's just a personal preference, but that technique is definitely going to help you get your hair as close as possible to the texture of this. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope this helped you out a lot. I will leave the link to this hair down below in the description box. Please let me know if you want to see a video of me making a U-part wig, how I style it and put it together and all that fun stuff. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all next time. Peace.